Today, we will be examining the similarities and differences between the MLA style and the APA style of citations for citing sources in your research papers and bibliographies. While these two citation styles exhibit many similarities for crediting sources you have used in your research, it is important to examine the differences in each citation format to ensure that they are accurate in your research papers. First, we will look at in-text citations. Both MLA style and APA style utilize in-text citations when quoting, paraphrasing, or referring to an argument or an idea discussed in a source you consulted. However, where MLA style only requires the author's last name and page number in the in-text citation, APA style also requires for you to provide the year of publication. You can examine the same in-text citation in both MLA and APA styles on this slide. The second part of citing your sources in MLA and APA styles is listing the sources you cited in your paper. In MLA style, this is called your works cited, whereas in APA style, this is called your references. These two things serve the exact same function, but simply have differing titles. Your citations in your works cited or references page will also differ in formatting between MLA style and APA style. Here, you can examine the different general elements required in each citation for the MLA and APA styles. For more in-depth explanation of these citations, make sure you check out our CAPP tutorial videos on Introduction to MLA Citation and Introduction to APA Citation. You can also examine the same citation in both MLA and APA styles on this slide. Writing citations are tricky, and no one expects you to memorize the differences between MLA and APA styles or be able to write them perfectly on your first go. Using the resources on this slide will give you examples to follow and help answer specific questions you have about different types of sources and how to properly cite them.